Vijayawada location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job openings for Andhra Pragati Gramina Bank. They are looking for office assistant, multi-purpose bank jobs near Vijayawada. So position will be office assistant, multi-purpose executive. Job location is Vijayawada. It is depend on your IBPS score to get nearest branch. Pay scale will be depending upon IBPS standards. Requirements are bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized university or its equivalent, proficiency in local language as prescribed by the participating RRBs, and desirable working knowledge of computer. How to apply? Each candidate will be required to obtain a minimum score in each test of online main examination to be considered to be shortlisted for provisional allotment. Depending on the number of vacancies available in each state, candidates will be shortlisted for provisional allotment. A candidate can apply for the post of office assistant multipurpose and can also apply for the post of officer. You can find the link in description to get to know more information and to apply for this job role. You can check with that. If you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. We will be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for Tech Mahindra Limited. They are looking for like various positions. They are recruiting through off-campus recruitment drive, fresher candidates. So multiple openings is available across pan India. Work location will be work from home for now. Then after the COVID situation, you will be asked to the come to office as per the requirements and the job vacancies available pan India. Salary will be 3.5 lakhs per annum. Venue location like virtual interviews will be conducted. Mode of interview through video call or telephone. Eligibility criteria will be like need to have graduated from 2018 or 2019, 2020 or 2021 batch. BE, BTech, other graduates like computer science, electronics and communication, information technology, telecommunication and MCA candidates also eligible. Minimum required 60% first class or equivalent in SSC, graduate BE, BTech, postgraduate MCA. Minimum 60% or above in HSC or diploma, and is required not more than 1 year gap since SSC, and that too not after joining a course, means no loss of academic year after joining a course is required. No backlogs accepted. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. If you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. Next, there is a job openings for Mankind Pharma. They are looking for a marketing executive. Freshers in Vijayawada. Designation will be marketing executive or sales executive. Job type is full-time freshers. Education qualification is bachelor degree or master degree. Work location available jobs nearby Patamata, Vijayawada. Language skills required Telugu, Hindi and English. Department pharma marketing job and pharma sales job. And if you see the responsibilities, to increase referral business by maintaining healthy relationship with doctors, chemists, opticians, corporates near Patamata, Vijayawada, presenting services of Mankind Pharma to doctors, pharmacists and other relative professionals, certainly sending offers to overseas buyers, maintaining and submitting detailed records of visit and business on daily basis to Visakhapatnam management team of instance, and coordinating with the regular customers or buyers of our products, meeting up monthly targets also. So these are all the responsibilities. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is job openings for Vikas College of Engineering and Technology. They are looking for a various teaching job positions, and like for the academic year 2021 and 2022, eligible candidates may apply within 10 days through email. So they are also looking for a non-teaching positions as well. If you see what are the job openings, like teaching jobs or assistant professors for polytechnic, and non-teaching positions like lab technician, office assistant, attender, web designer, programmer, aptitude and reasoning trainer, soft skills trainer, C, Java, Python trainer, warden and accountant. So all these positions, they have vacancies. To apply for this job role and to get to know more information, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for Cargill. They are looking for assistant manager admin position, and if you see the key accountabilities, prepare and proofread internal and outgoing documents to ensure alignment with corporate standards and business practices, coordinate and regularly update content for announcement boards, postings, screens and shared internal electronic resources, organize and facilitate events, meetings and presentations, and inspect meeting facilities to ensure event requirements are met. Ensure that facilities, office and business support service operate effectively and efficiently. Serve as a liaison for local authorities. Handle basic issues and problems under direct supervision while escalating more complex issues to appropriate staff. Other duties as assigned. Minimum qualification is bachelor's degree in a related field or equivalent experience. Minimum qualifications may apply. You can browse the provided link below in description to get to know more information to apply for this job role. Let us know below in comments if you have any questions or queries. Next, there is a job openings for Rama Clothes Stores. They are looking for a store manager job, and if you see the requirements, strong leadership skills, identify improvement opportunities and develop innovative customer experience strategies to increase customer satisfaction, loyalty and retention and to meet their expectations. Plans, delegates and follows up on expected tasks, assignments and activities to ensure expectations and objectives are met. Understands and enforces all company policies and procedures in a fair and consistent manner. Evaluate and prepare reports on staff performance by various factors like customer service, general discipline, sale incentives, etc. and communicate with HR and management as necessary. Must be able to work a flexible schedule according to the needs of business, including evenings, weekends and holidays. Develop strategies to increase footfalls, expand store traffic and drive profitability of the store. Develop strategies for sales and understand customer requirements and feedback of products. Arrange and meet with store management monthly to report on overall store performance. Good with Microsoft Office tools and general computer operating knowledge. Should be willing to learn to operate any software that company uses for HR management, CRM, etc. Supervise availability of general store supplies like plastic bags, stationery, etc. Should have good communication skills and strong process. Proficiency in English would be plus. Minimum 5 years of experience in relevant field and a minimum 3 years of experience in leadership role is required. To apply for this job role and to get to know more information, you can browse provided link below in description. If you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. Next, there is a job openings for Election Commission of India. They are looking for data entry operator. So department is Election Commission of India. They have multiple openings. Exam date will be notified soon. Language like English or any local language. Mode of application is through online. Salary will be offered minimum 25,500 to 81,100 per month. Reservation is applicable, you can refer the official website of Election Commission of India for more information. Starting date of application will be announced soon. Last date to apply will be notified soon. So selection process, if we see, selection will be based on qualifying in the interview or personal talk conducted by the commission. The candidate selected will not be allowed to withdraw their candidature subsequently. No TA or DA or any other allowance shall be provided for interview or personal talk. And to get to know more information, to get to the official notification of the job opening, you can browse the provided link below in description. If you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. Next, there is a job openings for Hindi call center for a 10th qualification for the growers. Hindi call center responsibilities and duties: to handle the customer queries via call, to provide the information related to the product and services to the customer, to answer incoming calls and respond to customers' emails, to maintain and record the interaction with the customer. And qualification will be like 10th pass or graduate engineering diploma or anything like formal qualification in office administration, secretarial work or related training. Minimum 2 to 3 years of experience in a similar role is required. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. Next, there is a job openings for public health and family welfare. Government of Andhra Pradesh. They are looking for a public health and family welfare job opening. So education qualification is MBBS. Age limit is 21, minimum 21 years to up to 45 years. Fees details are given here, like for general or OBC 600 rupees, and for SC the fees will be 300 rupees. Salary details, like minimum 37,000 to up to 57,000. Selection process will be written examination. To apply for this job role, you have to to apply for this job role, you have to browse the official website given here, that is http://cfw.ap.nic.in. So you can find the notification link, then click on read the full notification carefully. Public health and family welfare Vijayawada notification will be open and read it. Candidates can check their eligibility criteria and more related details. You can start your application from form and pay the application fee. Finally, click submit button. Finally, take the printout of the complete application form for further visuals. So if you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. So the link is given in description below as well. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Shriram Transport Finance Company Limited. They are looking for relationship executive or senior relationship executive. So work location will be Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Posting will be nearby. Education qualification is any graduates or postgraduates. Experience minimum 6 months or sales or marketing experience or relevant experience, or MBA freshers candidates also are eligible to apply for these job roles. And salary will be based in BFSI industry. If you see the roles and responsibilities, main responsibility will be identification of prospective customers from local areas, sourcing and sustaining customer relationship, cross-selling recovery functions across Vijayawada city, achieve personal target segment focus customer relationship and product sales, help drive team to be achieve Vijayawada branch target by yearly and quarterly performance, actively reducing non-funding sales error and increase the premiums lead sourcing from local market, or relevant internal and external lead to be completed prior to referring or selling wealth products. In the job requires generating referrals or cross-selling other products of the Vijayawada branch such as investments, insurance, mortgages, personal loans, etc. To apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. If you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. Next, there is a job openings for a BHEL for the job role like Deputy General Manager. Selection process will be comprised of personal interview only. During the interview, candidates' technical knowledge, capabilities, skills, behavioral aspects, experience, etc. shall be assessed. Maximum marks allotted for interview shall be 100. General instructions are given here. Candidates must submit their application in the prescribed format only. Candidates should apply by submitting the application in the prescribed format as per BHEL recruitment website. So you can refer the advertisement. The application form are complete in all aspects with the required documents, educational qualification, experience details and proof of current pay scale designation must be sent in an envelope superscribed with application for the post of the Deputy General Manager to the following address. So the address details, everything is available below in description. Like if you click on the link, you can get to know like more information and official notification on this. And qualification and experience, full-time regular BE BTech, BSc in Civil Engineering from a recognized university, and also they require the experience as well. You can check full details in the description below by clicking on the link. Next, there is a job openings for Resonant Technologies. They are looking for software developer positions, looking for talented and energetic people who can work with passion, dedication and integrity. Resonant Technologies provides opportunity for experienced candidates as well as for freshers. If you want to join a company where talent and dedication will be considered as the most valuable assets, then the organization invites you. You can browse the provided link below in description and to get to know more information and to apply for this job role. Next, there is a job openings for Bank of India recruitment. So if you see the responsibilities, critically review and evaluate documents, matters pertaining to HR which may be referred to him or her from time to time, attend the meetings of the steering committee of the board on HR in the capacity of an external HR expert. The said HR consultants shall provide timely professional advice and support to the bank on specific HR issues and administration of strategic HR policies and procedures with a view to develop and update HR functions. Ensure seamless implementation of the various HR initiatives launched by the bank like employee engagement survey, 360-degree feedback, job family, succession planning and talent management process and any other government directive envisaged in PSP reforms agenda for enhanced access and service excellence, provide advice and guidance on best practices regarding job design, recruitment, onboarding, deployment, transfer, promotion, training, career and succession planning, performance management system, talent management, employee bonding and separation process. Bring about a balance between bank's corporate policies and procedures and HR policies in order to achieve bank's overall goals and objectives. Advise on skill gap mapping at various levels of operations zones in the bank. Bring about improvement in the training system methodology across the bank that becomes best in class. Monitor quality of the course contents and its delivery in the training colleges. Advise bank on various modes for ensuring dissemination of product knowledge among its staff. So to apply for this job role, you have to browse the provided link below in description. If you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. Next, there is a job openings for a trade apprentice for a ITI candidates fresher positions for Indian Oil Corporation. They have 482 vacancies for apprentice. Opening date for online registration will be updated soon, and date for computer based test will be notified soon. Language required like English or any local language. Mode of application through online only. Job location will be across like pan India. So for Vijayawada location it will be near Vijayawada or in Vijayawada. Salary will be offered minimum 13,200 to 43,000 per month. Reservation is applicable if for more information you can browse the provided link below in description. So eligibility, who have done diploma or ITI from openings for a director position for the Flipkart. Job responsibilities if you see to ensure timely filling of DT and IDT returns across allocated entities or business vertical, to ensure timely payment of taxes, data analysis for tax fillings, and through experience of extracting data from ERP and in-house tech systems, to ensure timely completion of assessments of service tax and VAT for pre-GST regime, and to ensure timely completion of TDS and corporate tax assessments, to ensure timely replies to all notices from tax authorities, ability and confidence to deal with senior tax officials directly, to advise various stakeholders and business partners on various business initiatives, good interpretation of skills of tax laws, rules and procedures, very high standards of integrity and work ethics, ideal past work experience is required. Qualification and experience if you see, minimum 15 years of post qualification experience managing tax compliance in big BIG4 or for large companies in India. Professional qualification chartered accountant. So to apply for this job role, you can browse the provided link below in description. If you have any questions or queries, let us know below in comments. Next, there is job openings for a cashier job in Vijayawada for the DMart. So they are looking for cashier position. For more information to apply for this job role, you can browse the link provided in description.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.